A nebulizer is one of the best ways to treat a respiratory disease such as asthma and other lung diseases because it turns liquid medicine into a mist. India's most trusted brand, Amkay's Nebulizer, is a compact compressor respiratory solution to treat all your respiratory problems. This nebulizer has flow adjuster through which you can control airflow according to your requirements. And it's ideally suitable for all ages and can be used with any drug. Now let's see how this product works. Attach the tube to the machine and turn on the nebulizer. Hold the mouthpiece and medicine cup upright to help deliver all the medication while using. This product is also available on Amazon, Flipkart, other online portals and medical stores near you. So breathe easy with Amkay's compact nebulizer.